Okay, got the wind turbine in, the new one, for the storage shed, the storm shelter. So I'm going to put that on real quick. So give me a second, I'll be right back. Okay, I've got to get the impact drill so I can put that wind turbine on the storm shelter. And so that's what you guys are going to be hanging out with me doing today. And I'm excited about that. Something that the missus and I have been needing to do for a while. Sorry, trying to adjust the tripod. You guys ready to Shabbat? It's almost sundown. So I want to get this done as quick as possible. Got the impact drill. I want to get this done as quick as possible. And have you guys had a good week? I feel like Satan's been attacking me and my family all week, and it gets tough. It gets really tough when that happens. I'm gonna bless the house tonight. The house definitely needs a blessing. The wife and I, we got so much stuff going on, and then little dumb things happen to the house that create more stress. And I just you always gotta stop and pray and let God handle it, right? You definitely do. Man, just not liking the stressors in life. But all you can do is pray, give it to God, and take care of your family like the church. That's what Jesus said. Husband's supposed to take care of his family like the church. I believe that's what he said. Anyone who knows more about it than me, please comment below with the correct information. And yeah, let's put this on. This is one thing that I know I could do real easy, and there shouldn't be any hiccups. All right, I'm gonna pause this video and I'll talk to you guys soon, as soon as I get it set up. All right, okay, so this is a Folgers can. That's what I put on the other day when we were having storms, because I just needed something on, because our last one was torn up back in 2013 when the tornado came through. So take this off. This was just to kind of protect from water, but of course it probably really didn't protect from water. Oops. And then we'll put the new one on. Man. So did you guys see that Grafted is opening up some satellite churches? Did you see that? Doing some TV presentations to reach more people. That's really awesome. Congratulations to them. That's awesome. Man, have you guys watched Ephraim's Torah study tonight? Has it been released yet? I'm not sure. I love it when they do this. It's a box in a box. I love it when they do that. Now I've got two boxes. Okay. Perfect. That's what I'm talking about, folks. That right there. Okay. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about, folks. Look at that. That's awesome. God has really blessed us with that. And how simple it went on. Like that's a huge blessing. Okay, let's get this thing secured. Oh, I'm so excited, folks. So excited. Okay. Do you guys have one of these little impact drills? Amazing, amazing. Just be real careful with it, because all the torque that it has, man, it'll snap screws off. On some of my real estate signs, it snapped the bolts right off the bolt heads right off the bolts on some of my real estate signs. And if I was still a Amazon person that could put links down below and make money off Amazon, I'd definitely do that. But no one ever bought anything when I would do that. So they canceled your account. They'll cancel your account if you don't sell anything. Amazon only wants producers, I guess, which is fine. You know, it's their company. They know a whole lot more about Amazon than I do. Wow. Man, thank you so much for being with me on that. You guys don't know how excited I am to have that there, and I can't wait to show Aubrey and Rhett and Abby when they get home. Like, that's exciting. That is 100% exciting. That's awesome. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next video. The last video and then today's video, I'll probably put them together in one video because there's not much content. That way you guys can get at least, you know, 9-10 minutes on this video. But yeah, thanks for everything. You know, if you guys pray and you believe in God, say a prayer for my family and I. You know, it was a hard week. It was a hard week, but you know, God's blessing, we got through it. And Satan's always out there messing with you. He's always out there messing with you. So thanks for everything, guys. Thanks for all the thumbs up, the subscribes, and everything. I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, bye.